Hi, good day everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technologies and Berhad. We are the LD display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a weight remote display where you can see the top one is 1.1 RW. The size of the display is 370mm, the width and height of the display is 210mm, and the character height is 90mm. And the bottom display, the width of the display is 690mm times 210mm, and the height of the character is 110mm, and this is a 2.1 RW. So let's start our presentation today. Today we have the Adam AE403. This is the headers. So now this is a simulators where you can see. So when we increase the digit, I connected two of the weight remote display in parallel. So you can see that both appear the same digit. So go up, so go down. So this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.